Hi guys, Happy New Year! A lot of people lost their jobs last year because of the pandemic and are still looking for a job. To get a job, the very first thing that you need is your resume, right? In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 practical tips to help you write a good resume. Let's get started. 1. Find the right style. The resume format for a business executive should be different from a college student or an entry-level applicant. So, simply type resume examples in Google. You should be able to find good examples and templates for your case. 2. Keep it simple in 1 page or 2 if necessary. Hiring managers will read your resume only for a few seconds. You may have a lot of great things to say, so maybe just 1 or 2 pages is not enough to cover them all. Look back, think through, and select only the best ones you want to say. So make your resume simple and focus on the very first half of your resume. 3. Put your professional email address and LinkedIn URL. At the top of your resume, put an email address with your name in it, whether it is a Gmail or an email address from your business website. Also, if you can, include your LinkedIn URL. Hiring managers will look into it to find more information about you, which they cannot find from your resume, such as your skills endorsed and recommendations received from others. 4. Brand yourself from the beginning. Start your resume with a professional summary. Highlight your strengths, expertise, passion, and great accomplishments to show that you are the right fit for the job. 5. Use the keywords from job description. From the company's vision, values, job responsibilities, and qualifications, find the keywords that match well with your experience and skills and sprinkle them throughout your resume. 6. Tell your achievements with numbers. Hiring managers want to see how you have solved problems, what positive outcomes and contributions you made, and how you have demonstrated your leadership in your previous positions. So, do not just list your past job descriptions, but carefully select your most relevant achievements to the job requirements. And make sure to include the numbers, such as dollar amounts, percentage, etc. For example, you'd want to say, I generated $1.3 million in profit, instead of saying, I made a lot of money for the company. 7. Use bold font and bullets. When you list your work experience, put the company names and titles in bold font, and then write 2 or 3 of your job experience with bullets for each company you worked for. By doing so, you can make your resume look more organized and professional. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, make sure to click on the button, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. I am planning to give you some useful tips on how to prepare for your job interviews in the next video. Thank you very much. I wish you stay healthy and have a wonderful new year.